Hey folks, Jeff here at My Tennessee Home Solution. Today I'm in Nashville at this condo that we've just purchased with cash. We buy properties as is all over Middle Tennessee. Wanted to let everybody know that not only do we buy houses, but we also buy condos, townhomes, duplexes, triplexes. Pretty much, if it's real estate, we're interested. And so if you have a property that needs a little bit of love, you're looking to sell it as is with cash, give us a call. We'll make it simple, easy, and convenient. And we'll talk with you soon. My Tennessee Home Solution.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.